home vlog gang. Hello, how are we? I haven't home vlogged in months and months, but I thought like looking like this was the best way to debut myself again. Not in this time that I've not been home vlogging. Borat 2 came out, so you're gonna be hearing a lot of this. How are we, lads? How are we doing? Tell us what you're up to. How are yous? How have yous all been? Not a lot has happened with the house. We've been at a little bit of a standstill. The world's gone back into lockdown. Lots been going on with jobs, personal life things, and the battery lights come on cracking. But, oh, what?
6.5 hours later.
Hi. I had to answer the door and then about 5 hours passed, so that's how good I am at vlogging. I think we all know this by now. Anyway, I think I was talking about how there'd been like a standstill with any sort of progress, but progress is picking up quite suddenly. Tomorrow, one of those boring jobs, but it's exciting for me. So I'm going to share it with you because I want to have these to look back on. So I am going to show you a really boring bit of progress, but let's just look at it together. So something is currently gone. It's not going to be gone forever because we need it. As you can quite clearly see, we have, you know, storage. We need it basically. So there was a big shelving unit here that is not there at the moment because we need something quite large removed and replaced. I don't know if you've actually ever seen fully into this little very random nook, but this is the home of our very old boiler and an old water tank, which if we replace the boiler, we will no longer need. I hope you can kind of tell this is actually quite a large space, so we're really hoping to utilise this a lot better in the future. I told you in our flat tour the plan. Wall over and this lovely bit of space will become part of the bathroom, which is on the other side of that wall. However, before we do anything like that, we need to replace this goddamn boiler. I truly don't know if it would have survived this winter, so I am so pleased. That's good lighting. I am so pleased that it's finally getting done. The plumber lads are coming over tomorrow, and I think it's a 2-day job. I don't know how they're gonna do it because that is such an awkward place to get to. This worktop, we can't take it out without ruining the whole kitchen, so you literally have to take the tumble dryer out and crawl underneath. I'm glad it's not my job, but I will be helping if I can. I just really wanted to do a before my camera ran out of charge, because I think the before and after is going to be quite significant. So I'm going to come off camera now because I hate looking my best. Let's be honest here. I will check in when day 1 is done tomorrow. I will not be showing you the plumber men because that just ain't my vibe. I will check back in tomorrow when a little bit of work's been done. Exciting. Oh, might as well say, please stay tuned because I will be announcing the giveaway winner at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that, bitches. Not calling you bitches, that is so rude. Good morning everyone, how are we doing today? A few days have passed since I last spoke on here. A lot has happened. I am so excited. I am going to show you the progress. It's probably very boring progress, but it's progress nonetheless, and I vowed to myself that I would try and record every part of this journey, so prepare yourselves for some quite boring content, but for me it's very exciting. Straight before I show you everything that got done, I am actually going to recommend the people who did the work for us. They were so efficient, it's actually ridiculous. I could swear he estimated that the work would take 2 days. It took how long? About 6 hours. Came at about 8:30 and they left by 2:30, so check my maths, but yeah, it was amazing how efficient they were. If you're in the northeast area, I majorly recommend Richie Lamb Heating. Anyway, what did they do? So one thing that I annoyingly didn't get it before of, but it's in like so many of my other videos, any video before this has featured a fireplace. that no longer exists. Right, I will show you. Obviously, this is not the finished article. I don't plan on having a massive hole in my living room. It's progress. It's not the finish, but it's progress. So I'll show you. They've basically capped off the gas fire. They've taken the gas fire. So very helpful. And now look at it. Okay, yeah, so this is my finished fireplace transformation. Give it a like. No, I'm joking, obviously. So this is where we used to have a very, 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 very old-fashioned gas fire. We just want it kind of neatened out, boxed out, you know, like filled into a nice little hole. And then I think the plan is I would love to just have one of those that has logs in it. Just simple. And possibly a Jess Rose vinyl around the outskirts. That's what I'm hoping for. I am truly chuffed with that. I am so happy. Fire's gone. We move on through here. We have put this massive shelving unit back up because we couldn't deal with living in mess. So sorry, that does slightly ruin the before and after. Also, I genuinely think it was from when he's like drilled in the wall and there's loads of dust in the room. It's absolutely killed off this plant. It's actually quite sad. Absolutely devastated. Yeah, this does ruin the after. Oh well, lads, just bear with us. Basically, we've got a new boiler. When did my content get so exciting? So, as you can kind of hopefully tell, oh, this is so terrible and dark. I genuinely apologise, but try to remember there was a big boy water tank just in there. And it's gone. It's totally gone. And our boiler was on the floor. We now have a lovely backseat on the wall. I'm now getting the vision of this being in the bathroom and us having a really nice sort of airing cupboard to conceal it. I'm annoyed we've put that cupboard back now because you fully can't tell. But honestly, the amount of room it has given this little bit of space, it really kind of gives light to kind of the ideas we've got going forward. Chuff doesn't even cover it. I am genuinely so happy. Now that we have that sorted, we now are moving through into electrician jobs. This is just super exciting. I hope somebody enjoys these because I love content like this, but not everyone does. So next job, we are getting an electrician out. We need a new fuse box. Thrilling content, but I won't talk you through that. Basically, this flat has the oldest fuse box the electrician that came has ever seen. Good times. So yeah, we need to renew that, and also we need new lights. It's really starting to like visibly upset me when I go to take like a picture in here and this is just popping in the shot. It really like annoys me. So I need something nice and modern, but also we have a very old light in here. We have these lights at work in the stock rooms and you know, they remind me of like a classroom light and stuff like that. So we want something a little bit more contemporary. That is the vibe, but they're in my basket right now. So the kitchen, we found quite easily actually. It's from IKEA. So this is what we're thinking. Nice. What do we think? Do we enjoy? Let me know. The living room is quite a lot harder. I will tell you for why. We have a Philips Hue colour changing bulb. We want to make sure obviously that it's compatible with that, but we really don't like when you can see the bulb. This is so boring. We bought a really classic like IKEA lampshade for our bedroom and we just hated how it was like blinding because you could just see the bulb. We like it when it's like concealed, like diffuses the light and that, you know what I mean? I'll flash up a few options we've had and I would love if you all commented below which one you liked the most. Through this experience, we have discovered that me and Tom have quite different, not extremely different, but quite different styles. I absolutely adore like a rattan kind of vibe. He doesn't, but bless him, he is a dream. Like, I've managed to talk him round to having what would be my dream in here. He's letting me have it in the bedroom. So I will go into what will be. Oh, whoa. Mother, I'm filming. Hello. Yes, how are you?
A few moments later.
Bless my mother, she can actually talk for England. If you're watching, Mum, love you. I can't even remember where I was. God damn it. I'm gonna have to watch the bloody clip.
One eternity later.
Okay, I am legitimately the worst at continuity vlogging. So I have put on a jumper, I've gone on a walk, I've had some lunch, and I think I stopped mid-sentence. That's great from me. Anyway, I managed to pull him around to this IKEA lamp ceiling shade thing. Ideally, I would love it personally in the living room because I love it that much. He's letting me have it full stop, so I've got to be thankful. Well, not thankful, but you know what I mean. Eventually, when we switch bedrooms and do out our big bedroom, it will be in that room. So I'll just kind of show you in there. It's an absolute state, so I don't know why I'm doing this. But it will be in here. I'll just show you what we've got so that I've got a before. This room is still very much in the before stage, as you can tell. I'm hoping it's not a hard thing to do to make this sort of central, because at the moment it's very much not central to the room, and eventually we want our bed here, so ideally we're wanting it here. But I am literally the least aware person when it comes to like electronics, plumbing, all this. I am just clueless, so we'll see if that's something that can happen. But yeah, so that is decided. But living room is, we need to get ourselves together. So if anyone has any ideas or anything they think that would be good, that would be compatible with a Hue colour changing bulb, so we just need something that has one kind of like bulb outlet, please let us know, because my mind is frazzled. Hopefully that is enough footage to make some sort of a video. I'm sorry this has been like, what on earth is this literally, but I really need to announce the winner of the giveaway. So I've never been on a random name generating website, so we're going to go through this experience together and I will try and sort that out, and then I'll be back to you with the giveaway winner. Okay everybody, welcome to the giveaway announcement. This is probably the weirdest way to announce a giveaway, but I don't know any other way. So I'm gonna show it clear as day. So we've numbered everybody, got 1 to 36, and I'm going to put 36 in here, and I am just gonna click generate. So good luck everybody. Generate. Ooh! We've got number 1! The one and only, I think it's fate. We officially have our winner. It is Sophie Blog UK. Woo! Well done, Sophie. I am actually chuffed with that outcome because Sophie comments on all my videos and I really do appreciate it. Sophie, I am so excited to send you over the giveaway parcel. I will be getting in touch with you very soon. I just want to thank everyone who has entered because there's been so many entries, and I just honestly, I really do appreciate it. I appreciate every single one of you, even if you're not from the UK and you couldn't enter. It really does mean a lot to me. I still read every single comment. I just feel like this is a really nice little tight-knit group of people, and yeah, thanks guys, thanks. I am now gonna leave that video there because this has just been a slight bit of a shambles. Why am I burping? If you enjoyed this video by any chance, could you stick the link down below? Oh, what is wrong with me? Could you please stick a like down below? If you're not subscribed, could you subscribe? I'd really appreciate it. And I hope you're having all a lovely day. I'm gonna go and just stop speaking because what is wrong with me? Have a lovely day lads, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.